It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a vibe, yeah, yeah. It's a vibe. It's a hop in the ride. Just suicide, yeah, yeah. Slow it down. Dirty spray, yeah, yeah, yeah. My bitch don't kill my.
Hey guys, what is up? Welcome back to my channel. So today, you guys, we're gonna be doing a quick Cupshe haul. I try to do Cupshe hauls once a month. I really love Cupshe. If you guys are not familiar with Cupshe, it's a very affordable, I won't say very affordable, but it's a affordable brand that sells very nice quality like vacation wear. But the cool thing about Cupshe, they don't only just sell, let me turn my phone off, they don't only just sell swimsuits, they also sell like clothing pieces as well, like really cute dresses, really cute pieces for the fall. So I wanted to come on here tonight and show you guys some of the pieces that I got from Cupshe. These pieces are definitely great pieces to add to your fall wardrobe. So I'm going to be showing you guys the stuff that I picked up. So let's get started. Everything that I got from Cupshe is in a size extra large. So I know for a fact this is an extra large and it fits so good on my body. So this is true to size. I love the way it looks. It looks a little see-through, but honestly when I put it on my body, it's giving. Now this is a really cute outfit to wear out to dinner. If you and your girls are going out for drinks, this is a really beautiful mauve color. If you're not ready to bring in the blacks, the nudes, and the neutral, this is a perfect transition color. It's like a mauve nude type of color. I love this color. It looks really good on my skin complexion. I love the quality, and it is a half a dress, one shoulder dress. You guys know I love a one shoulder. That is my favorite style of dresses. If wherever I'm at, if I see a half dress or a half bodysuit, I normally get it. It's just my thing. So I really like this this dress. So this is really cute. It is ruched on the side, and if you are a curvy girl, rouge is really good for our body type. So love this dress. Okay, so the next dress, since we're talking about dresses, is this beautiful like emerald green dress. It's very thin and it is a little on the see-through side, so you do want to make sure that you wear some like shapewear, like black shapewear or black panties or black bra with it, because it is more so on the see-through side, as you guys can see. But it is a really cute dress. I always expect these dresses to be a little on the thin side, but I love this dress. This dress is super cute. I love this color. I don't think I own a dress like this in this color, so I think it'll be really cute with some gold. I'm gonna pair it with this really big gold bag that I got, and some gold heels, and I think this is just really classy. Now if I wear this dress in the fall, 9 times out of 10 I'll just throw a nice Campbell type of, like a brown type of color trench around my shoulders, just to make it look a little bit more dressy and just really classy it up a little bit. But I really like this dress. It's definitely my type of speed. It is a cow neck. It is in an extra large. Now with this dress, I could have gotten a large, but I got it in an extra large because that's my normal size that I always get. It is adjustable, so if you wanted to lift the boobs up more, you could. If you wanted to wear it as a cow neck, you could as well. So I like this dress as well. The only thing I would have to complain about this dress is it's super see-through, like very see-through, but I really like the dress. Dresses. Let's move on to some more casual outfits. So let's get into this really cute shirt here, you guys. You know I love me a flowy, effortless type of look. I love that effortless, classy, sleek, chic type of vibes. I love wearing these oversized shirts with jeans and also biker shorts. So this is just an oversized shirt. It has these little faces on it. very trendy. It says Lost David on it, but it's really cute. I paired this with some black biker shorts, my little crossover bag. You can pair it with some dad slides. I don't think I paired it with dad slides. I think I paired it with some black slides. Just a very casual look if I'm going out to do some shopping, going out to the coffee shops, going to do, you know, pay bills and just, you know, run my errands. This is a really gorgeous errand outfit. Like, I feel like this is my like home goods outfit, my Target outfit. This is my dress code when I'm just doing what I do throughout the week. This is what I normally wear. So I love this. You guys will be seeing a lot of this shirt in my vlogs because, like I said, I love dressing like this. This is my style. So I got this in an extra large. It's super oversized. So if you are like a 1X type of girl, you'll definitely be able to wear this because it's super oversized. So I love a very easy flowy look. I also picked up this shirt here. Now this is in a large, and this, you can use this as a bathing suit cover up. You can use this as you can wear it with biker shorts like I did in the video. It's just a black button-up shirt, but it does have a little texture to it. I have this in white. I did wear this in New York. If you saw my New York vlog, I did have this on when I just was out shopping and it was just my daytime look. So I really love this shirt, so I decided to pick it up in black for the fall. You do want to wear like a black bra or a bandeau under it, because it is see-through. It's very sheer. If you stay more north, you probably will have to layer this up, but I stay in Florida, so this is perfect for me. And then when the fall leaves and the winter leaves, I can definitely use this as a bathing suit cover up. I also have some black sheer pants that I can wear, like these black flowy pants, and I can make it kind of like a two-piece outfit. So I really love this top as well. Very chilled. The way I styled it is the way I will wear it. This is the way I dress. Okay, so the next thing on our list is this gorgeous army green jumper, whatever you want to call it. I think it's a jumper. I don't normally order things like this. I don't normally wear things like this because I don't feel like it's super flattering on my body type, but this one here don't look that bad on me. It don't look that bad. It's very casual. It's very chic. I love the way it looks. It's very easy. If you are out and about and you just need a quick outfit, I think this would be perfect. If I'm taking my baby like somewhere like to the movies or something, I think this is a cute outfit. And it's colored this olive green. In the fall time, it's everything. Okay, so I really like this. I love the big pants that come with it, like the leg of it, and then the pockets are pretty low, so I felt like that was very interesting. I am a shorty. I'm 5'1", 5'2", so these are a little long for me, but I'll just put on some cute little wedges and call it a day. I don't think I'm gonna get these altered because it's just a very casual outfit and I like it. Okay, so let's move on to the last piece. I picked up this dress here. It's just like a, I would say kind of cheetah print type of dress. It's cute, but I wish it was a little bit more flattering on me, honestly, you guys. I feel like it's a little short. So if you are taller than me, I feel like this dress is gonna run you a little short, but it is a really dainty, cute, around the house type of dress. Very girly the way it fits. Very timeless. I like it. I just wish, I think I wish it was a little bit more flowy and a little bit more longer. I've gotten so many dresses from Cupshe that's a little bit more floor. I mean, girl, what? I have gotten so many dresses from Cupshe that kind of flows a little bit more. So this is what I was expecting with this dress, to be a little bit more flowy, but I do like the dress. I just wish it was a little bit more flowy. Hey guys, this is Editing Bree. I had took off my earrings, about to take my lashes off, and I forgot that I forgot a dress. I'm like, why is this so short? I know I'm missing a dress. So this dress here is so cute. I had already wore it, so it was in the dirty clothes. That's why I forgot, but I love this dress. It's just a plain cotton dress, a really everyday dress. I wore it to Target. It was very comfortable. Just a very nice throw on. I love the rouging in the front because it hides the tummy a little bit. I also love the button in front of the dress. I just paired it with some silver dad looking slides. It was just a really cute, comfortable look. The material is very nice, stretchy, and just a cotton everyday type of dress, and I really love it. And it is button up in the front and the rouge on the tummy area and also the side. Super cute. Okay, back to the cute Bree, because girl, I don't tuck my whole earrings off and everything. Love this dress. So that is my Cupshe haul, you guys. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Hopefully it gives you some ideas for the fall. I will be pushing out these videos, you guys. I will be producing and pushing out these videos as much as I could for the fall, because I want to give you guys some cute outfit ideas. So I feel like these outfits are more on a casual. I mean, we have a couple of bodycon dresses, but I feel like these are more casual outfits. Definitely beautiful for the fall. If you guys have any type of recommendations, leave it down below, but make sure you guys check out Cupshe. I'll leave everything. If I have a discount code, I'll also leave that down below for you guys as well. Make sure you check out Cupshe. This video is sponsored by Cupshe, so shout out to Cupshe for sponsoring this video today. So thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I'll talk to you later. Bye guys.